Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up fingerprint on iPad Air 13 2024. To set up fingerprint, go to Settings, then go to Touch ID and Passcode, then enter your passcode, and now tap on Add Fingerprint. Then choose which finger you want to add to the Touch ID. You can add more fingers than one. I'm gonna use just one, my left pointing finger, and then place it on the Touch ID sensor, which is here. Tap and release a few times. Remember to move your finger between the scans so it scans the whole area of the finger. Then tap on Continue, and now you can scan the edges of your fingerprint. Then tap on Continue. Now when you tap on it and the fingerprint gets dark, that means that it scans correctly. And from now on, when I lock my iPad, I can unlock it with my fingerprint. Just click on the power button and put the right finger on the Touch ID sensor. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.